So the next test we're going to do is I'm actually using a program called Enscape. And Enscape is a plugin that you can use for programs like SketchUp, Rhino, Revit, and I believe ArchiCAD now. And what it is, it's pretty much creating like a 3D walkthrough game without the game element from your 3D model that you're building for your architectural design. So as you can see here, this is an example. Right now I have it in stereoscope mode. And so as you can see, it's going to show you the left eye, right eye. You can actually do it as a 2D mode, but I actually wanted to see how this works with the stereoscopy turned on. And so the reason why is because when I was testing out the prototype that we bought from MOPIC back in January, there was about a 2 second delay from your input from your computer to the monitor because it was calculating. So in this case, I wanted to see how much longer the lag is going to be compared to before. So previously it was about 2 seconds. So we're gonna now test this out with the F3 button here. Okay, now it's converted to 3D. Okay, so there still is a slight delay, but it's a lot better than before. And it's maybe about like half a second delay, maybe less than that. So it's actually not bothering me when I'm moving around. So this is really cool because I'm not seeing as much ghosting as before, because before there was in the prototype version, a lot of the elements were kind of out of focus, and it didn't really know how to uh, line up some of the images perfectly. But now I'm seeing way less of a ghosting, and it looks really cool. And it helps because it feels like you get a definite sense of space from this. And so we like using Enscape to kind of show clients, or even for me, for during the design phase, I like having Enscape on just to walk through the building and see if there's any coordination issues that we need to kind of look for. And so this kind of helps me be in the space more without having to put on a VR goggle. And and the reason why I started looking into this technology, and the reason why we started collaborating with MOPIC, was that initially when I tried to do some VR efforts, I noticed that there was a huge it was hard to get people into VR, because a lot of people didn't feel comfortable wearing the VR headset for one of two reasons. One of them was, a lot of the our clients didn't want to really be seen wearing a VR goggle because it looks a little bit embarrassing. And the second part was certain people thought that they'd get dizzy, so they were very hesitant to wearing a VR glass or headset. And so for this actually allows you to be able to have depth perception and get a little bit more immersion into the building or the design without having to put on the VR headset. And it's just quick. You don't have to do setup. Once the monitor is ready, you can just kind of use the monitor and you're good to go.